Okay, what we have here is two of the same vacuums but with different filter systems. What I'm going to do here is show you how to clean the filters. This is for housekeeping people. This is a daily maintenance issue. This is called the canister. And that's the filter. Not looking very good. This one is the bag, which is time to change. You can look at this. This is a filter not doing its job. Notice how full it is. That's never been cleaned for months. So what you do with those, that simple. It should be a daily or every 2 days situation. You need to vacuum out the inside of here because that is contaminated. Now this one is basically the same thing. As you can see how dirty it is. These also can be brought into a sink and washed, squeezed dry, and then you can put them right back in. Okay, this one's simple, just needs a new bag. This one's a little more, it takes more, as you can see, that's dumped. But the one that takes the most is this one right here. Now that looks fairly clean. Watch this. That's pretty good. If you clean this every day, it won't be anywhere near as dirty as this one was. But when you let it go for weeks at a time, I've seen it come out and all nothing but fur. And you have to take that off to dump your bucket. And put everything back together. Now they have another filter which is here, called a HEPA filter. As you can see, that one's quite dirty. That's the same thing every day or every 2 days. This bag is really too full. Probably right around here, depending on what you're picking up. If it's room dirt, you can get them a little fuller, but if you're working in the halls where it's this, in the wintertime it's all sand, just this much sand in there is too much because it'll stop it from picking anything up. Now, down here, nope, here in the brush, you look for strings. There's some here, this one's quite clean, but if you get a lot of them, it'll choke it on the belt. If you hear a belt or smell a belt, something like rubber burning, you got to check it out, because we have it all the time. They just keep running them and they burn the belt right in two. For ease of the cords, I don't know if anybody knows that, but this top one just folds down so you can take your cord off all in one hump. Now, as you can see, this cord's been frayed, it's been taped. That should go to the office to be replaced. Sometimes we'll fix it quickly because we need the vacuum, but eventually that really needs to have a new cord on it or a cord adjusted. And most of these that have the original ends have a clip, so it keeps the cord neat. Now I know you won't wrap it like this as you're working because it's just too much bother to wrap it. You coil it and hang it, but that's okay. So that's basically it. And like I said, this should be at least every 2 days in a row. One every day would be fine, but we'll see it then. Thank you.